the giveaway for the Romance Angels Oracle cards, just leave a comment letting me know. By doing so, you've entered. Messages for Pisces, April 7th till the 13th. Love messages for Pisces. The moon, so you have your own energy here as your overall energy. Well, there is, the unknown, you have secrets going on, being mysterious, okay, for the most part, or being withdrawn. Knight of Cups, so some of you are feeling like offering your love to someone. You have the Page of Swords here, but you're being defensive, so you're the mystery, kind of wearing a mask, kind of maybe not showing how you feel, to defend yourself, protect yourself from something. You're on the defense here. Maybe you're arguing or was arguing with someone in the past, and now you're like on guard, or but you're wanting to offer your love to someone, your feelings. There's love here for someone in your life. You're seeing them as the Knight of Pentacles, so it's like they're not making any moves, or they've slowed down. There's not much movement going on, not much going on with them. Could be a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Let's see. They're feeling heartbroken. Some of you could be dealing with an Aries, or you could be in Aries, meaning you have Aries in your chart. But they're seeing you as the Emperor. So they're seeing you as in control, the one who has the power, the one who is the leader in the situation, the one who has the upper hand. And they're feeling heartbroken with the Three of Swords. Okay, so it could have been a recent breakup, them going solo with the Knight of Pentacles and the Three of Swords, being hurt about the ending or the separation of the situation. Okay, so let's see, in between the shared energy between the both of you, Two of Swords. So you're both kind of confused or both indecisive about the situation, but both of you are thinking about it. This could be vice versa, that you could be the one who's heartbroken and they could be the ones offering you an apology or a new start, but both of you are confused here. Both of you are going back and forth in your mind about the situation, about the conflict as well. So we have what's blocking you, the Five of Swords. So this competition of who has the upper hand, or who has the power in the situation, that's just blocking the relationship. This kind of competition, this conflict. It's like a word, a battle, like arguments. Who wins the argument for some of you? That's what's blocking you. So we have the Page of Pentacles as your outcome. So there could be potential for a new person in your life, or the potential for this to start over, for there to be forgiveness. There's messages coming in with the Page, but it's not the Page of Cups, so it could be just messages, casual messages from this person. So, Page of Swords, the Hierophant. You want things to be a certain way, okay? It's like the relationship wasn't going the way you wanted it to go. With the Two of Cups in reverse, which could have affected the connection. It's like you wanted, you know, them to be a certain way. Knight of Cups. Not wanting to be single. Some of you are reaching out to this person, or it's them reaching out to you. Yeah, offering love. Or offering love to someone, not wanting to be single. Okay. The Ace of Cups. Knight of Pentacles. Queen of Pentacles. And the Chariot. So they may have felt like they did too much. Or it could be that they were moving really fast in the beginning and now they're slowing down. You know? Again, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn is a lot of earth energy, but there's also Cancer here, so it could be a Cancer, but they're no longer moving forward, like they're going really slow here. Could be because they're hurt. Nine of Pentacles. Two of Wands. This person may be, you know, being newly single. They may be seeing what else is out there, or looking for a rebound. This person could be looking for a rebound to get their mind off of you if there's separation. Three of Swords. You may have been their wish, everything they wished for, and now they feel stuck because they're dealing with this loss when it comes to you. They don't know what to do, how to get out of that feeling. Okay, there's the Emperor here. Again, Aries. Also Leo, Sagittarius. So they're seeing you as the boss here. It may feel like they were a burden to you, like you released a burden when you walked away from them. Okay, so it seems that you are busy, or you're like in control of your life and ready to let go of anything that burdens you, and that's how they're seeing you. Two of Swords. Knight of Cups again. And the Death card. So we have lots of horses here. A lot of movement. Someone's contemplating, either you or them are contemplating, you know, offering your love to them again. Like, should you, you know, wanting a transformation, wanting the relationship to change, to improve. Wanting to end the drama and start new. Okay, Page of Pentacles. Page of Pentacles. Seven of Wands in reverse. So if one of you blocked the other, they'll be unblocking you, or you'll be unblocking them, opening up communication again. And the Four of Wands, and then the Eight of Cups in reverse means definitely going back to the person. So, and we have these two angels. Temperance and Judgment. So some of you could be dealing with a Sagittarius. And we have Judgment. So fate, basically it's meant to be. This was meant to happen. When Judgment's here, it was meant to happen to teach you something, like the separation. Maybe to teach you guys to not focus on the little things that cause conflict. Okay, chemistry. There's a strong magnetic attraction here. A retreat. It's time to disconnect from the world. Dependency. You deserve love. You are lovable. And true love. This is the romance of a lifetime. And make the effort. Great love is worth taking the steps you guided to take. So yeah, some of you are this Knight of Cups, going towards this person, maybe to apologize and to start over. It may take a little time with Temperance. You may have to have patience with this person. Okay. Messages for Pisces. Occupation. Could be someone you work with. Gifts. Wealthy man. So some of you are getting a gift from someone. It could be this guy or female could be successful. They may give you a gift. It could be them on the horse coming back to you. Despair and jurisdiction. So, get the feeling that the universe is telling both of you to grow up and stop arguing. We have the Three of Swords with despair, so it's like this person really is down about the situation. Someone in the situation is really upset about how things are going. Messages for Pisces. Transformation, the Death card again. So some of you dealing with a Scorpio, or someone with Scorpio on the chart. Suffering in silence and base chakra, so they may not be even showing you that they're in this Three of Swords energy, that they're heartbroken, that they're feeling despair. They may not even be showing that. They may be wearing a mask of, acting all happy, and really they are upset. Base chakra. Intuition. Pisces is intuitive, so definitely listen to your intuition. Truth. Needing to know the truth in a situation, about whatever separated you, caused the separation. And with the moon, there could be things where one of you may feel like the other is hiding something. Moving on, and fertility. I feel like you guys are moving on from the negative things that happen in this relationship. Because the communication opens back up and the Four of Wands is here, so the stability is back. The Pentacles and Judgment. So some of you, as I said, are moving on from the negativity in this relationship. Things that cause the pain, the little things, as I said, like the things that don't matter, that are not worth losing the person over. Hopeful people, not the right time, so maybe take a break. Well, we have Temperance here, so that says there's going to be a waiting period, yep, within the next few months. So it's going to take time. Situation. Take action. Abundance. So you have to take action, but not the right time. There's going to be a right time for you to take action, for you to make the effort, as it says. And listening to your intuition, you'll know when. But right now, I think you should just, you have helpful people around you, so you should just, hang out with other people. Get some advice and see how it goes, because right now is not the time. You have a few months to think about this. Okay, so I'd say take a month off of this relationship and just wait. Maybe they'll come back around. Maybe they'll reach out. But it doesn't even have to be in a month. I'm just saying, everyone's different, so the person could come back around sooner. I feel like for a lot of you, it's you who has to make the effort if they are the ones who are heartbroken. If you're the one who's heartbroken, then they need to make the effort. And they will. That means they're the ones on the horse, the Knight of Cups, ready to offer you an apology and a new start. So, just wait. The Temperance, you have to be patient. But everything, in a few months, everything is going to be perfect. Like, everything is going to be worked out, smoothed out. Realizing, I guess maybe time apart will make both of you realize that you actually shouldn't let the little things get in the way. So, yeah. Just give it time. And definitely listen to your intuition at all times. Okay, so, yep. Base chakra, getting more grounded so that you can handle these situations or these little things that come up more easily and more, more civil. Open up, because you're in the moon, this moon energy, so the secrets might not help, like hiding things might not help. And I know some of you may be thinking it's them who's hiding something. They may come out eventually, like you guys may talk more openly, but I feel like you should give it time so that it can be attracted back to you rather than holding on and it just pulling away from you. Okay, so, yep. The communication will open up. 7 of Wands, 4 of Wands, and the Page of Pentacles. There's messages coming in, so just hold on and let go and it will happen. Okay, so Pisces, this was your reading for the 7th until the 13th of April. Check your moon, Venus, and rising if the messages didn't resonate, or if you'd like more insights. And if you'd like to be a part of the giveaway, just